mga kapamilya, mga mates. This is Master Popey. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Sa katong wala pa nakasubscribe ya, please subscribe. Please maluoy mo. Pila na ka-years ang akong YouTube. Pagyapon mo naka-subscribe. Kapait. So pait. Now, natakaroon na kay natin answer nga mga questions. This is for the CDO BlogCon 2019. Right now, ato sa aning ansira ng mga questions nga gihatag sa ato. Honestly and truthfully and to the best of our abilities, so help me God. Ayan. Grabe. Since na sa akong background, marami akong kino-construct ngayon na mga buildings sa tabi-tabi ng bahay namin. Ay mansion namin. Okay lang ba ang ating audio? Okay lang ba? Test mic 1 2 1 2. Ito na. What inspired you to do vlogging and blogging? So it's English, right? I will answer that in English to the best of my ability. So what inspired me? Yes, it's inspired me. No, no, but is because I wanna relay my thoughts and I wanna impact people also. Impact in a sense that I give them happiness or laughter. Meron silang natututunan. Oh, I'm sorry. It's English, right? One of the reason is to give laughter and to inspire. I also want to share my talent, also be part of it because this is the future. So monetization, financials, those are reasons also. The main reason would be to share, to inspire, and I would be satisfied if one person would change his life because of what he or she saw in my vlogs, even if I may not know about it. Number 2, what do you love most about vlogging or blogging? What I love most? Yes, I love most. Saan na? Aman, Korta. Wait lang, wait. There's a disturbance here. Come here. Here, get the everything. Everything. Oh no. Only 50? It's very cheap.
Thanks.
Sorry for the quick advertisement. They're buying the pan. Where were we? What do you love most about vlogging? Vlogging! Many people will emulate you. Your good traits would be multiplied, of course. Even if I have not received any money yet from YouTube, or I'm sure that soon many good things will come. A lot of owners from companies and events would invite you, and that's a good thing because you're building your network. The support of the people would be one of the reasons. But I also love to make videos right from the start. Maybe I may have a lot of things to improve. Room for improvement is healthy. I also like vlogging because I experience many first time. I tend to meet new people, new experiences, new personalities, and new stories of life. Yeah, that's basically it. Number 3, what are your struggles in vlogging? My struggles? Number 1 is showing up on time. Number 2, it would be editing on time or producing on time because a lot of tambak. Yes, there's a lot of tambak trabaho, editing, a lot of materials that needs to be edited. You tend to have lots of other priorities than vlogging. So this is not my main job, and then I treat it as a hobby. Sometimes my vlogs are delayed. Or number 4, what areas in blogging do I need to improve on? But actually, overall, I don't need to improve anything. Yeah, because I'm master. You know, the masters are just there sitting pretty. You know? I think I need to improve on the blogging side, the articles. I'm trying to learn right now how to make articles in a website and how to engage people, how to attract subscribers. Lastly, what is my main niche? What is the kind of audience that I want to attract? It's kind of like that, you know? It's really kind of like that. It is good that we do know that we need to improve. There's always room for improvement. We never stop learning dapat. Tama? Tama! How has blogging changed your life? Well, vlogging it's kind of natural to me in the first place. So I am really passionate about doing and making videos, pakwela. I am more comfortable in camera. The way I speak, the way I mingle with people. Because of vlogging, I also learned a lot from other vloggers. There are a lot of people who follow me, and then I need to strive my best to become a better person and not a pasikat lang, but a inspiring person, no? So I have a responsibility to be good for myself. That's one thing that have changed me through vlogging, because many people are watching. New vloggers over there who understand English. Take that leap. Start now. Do not be scared in putting yourself out in the open, because in that way you become a better person. And if you think that you can have something to give to the society, even a simple laughter, even a simple thought, do it, pursue it. Does not need a fancy camera. You can only use your cell phone. Many people have done that, became popular, and they are now helping their families. This is not about popularity either. It's about being a catalyst of change. With hard work, you can help yourself financially also in this industry, and we are going there in the future, digital. Come aboard now to the vlogging community of Cagayan de Oro and be inspired and learn from others. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something. See you around, mga migs. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.